In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Lumpsum investment calculator in Microsoft Excel. If you have ever wondered what a one-time investment could grow into over time, this simple calculator will help you estimate the future value using an expected interest rate and a specific number of years. We will build it directly in Excel using a few input cells and one clear formula. First, type your initial lump sum investment amount into cell B1. This is the amount of money you plan to invest at the beginning. On screen, you will see cell B1, and this is where you enter a number like a currency value. Take a moment to make sure you enter the amount you actually want to start with, because everything else depends on this starting figure. Next, type your expected annual interest rate percentage into cell B2. Excel expects this as a percentage value, so you should enter it in a format Excel recognizes as a percent. For example, if your interest rate is 8%, enter 8% or enter 8 and format it as a percentage, depending on your Excel settings. This step matters because the future value calculation uses this rate to project growth year by year. Then type the investment duration in total years into cell B3. This is the length of time you expect to leave your money invested. If you plan to invest for 5 years, you would type 5 into B3. Again, it is important that the value matches your intended time horizon because it directly affects how much growth is compounded. After you enter those values, click on cell B4 to select it. This is where the result will appear, meaning Excel will calculate the future value for you once you place the correct formula here. Selecting B4 first is a small but important step because it tells Excel exactly where the output should be shown. Now you will type the formula =FV B2 B3 0 minus B1 into cell B4. As you type, watch the formula bar so you can confirm the expression is entered exactly. The FV function calculates the future value of an investment based on a periodic interest rate, a number of periods, a present value style input, and a payment value. In this formula, B2 represents the annual interest rate, B3 represents the total number of years, and the 0 indicates that there are no additional periodic contributions. The negative sign in front of B1 is included, so the cash flow direction is consistent, and Excel returns the future value in the expected format. Once the formula is in place, press the Enter key on your keyboard. After you press Enter, Excel will compute the future value and display the result in cell B4. You should immediately see a number, which represents the estimated amount your lump sum investment could grow to after the number of years you entered. If the number does not look right at first, double-check that the interest rate and the time in years were entered correctly, since those are the main inputs driving the output. And now you have a working lump sum investment calculator. You can change the values in B1, B2, and B3 anytime, and the future value in B4 will automatically update. This makes it easy to test different scenarios and compare outcomes without doing manual calculations. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.